Welcome back to the kitchen. Today, I'm sharing a recipe my family absolutely adores. These incredible chicken taquitos. They're crispy, flavorful, and so easy to make. You'll want to put them on repeat. Let's get cooking. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need cooked, shredded chicken, about 2 cups. Next, softened cream cheese for that creamy texture, and a can of diced green chilies for a mild kick. Our spices include cumin, chili powder, and garlic powder, bringing all the delicious flavors together. And of course, corn tortillas for rolling, and a good quality oil for frying to golden perfection. Now, let's make the irresistible filling. In a large bowl, combine your shredded chicken. Add the softened cream cheese and the diced green chilies. These create a wonderful creamy base. Sprinkle in your cumin chili powder and garlic powder. Don't be shy with the seasoning. Mix everything thoroughly until all ingredients are well combined and the mixture is uniform. Ensure there are no lumps of cream cheese. This smooth consistency is key for easy rolling. Before rolling, warm your tortillas slightly. This makes them pliable and prevents cracking. Take a warmed tortilla and spoon a generous amount of the chicken mixture onto one edge. Roll the tortilla tightly, starting from the filled edge. This ensures a compact taquito. Continue rolling until you have a neat, cylindrical shape. Repeat for all your tortillas. Now, let's get ready to fry. Heat about 1 inch of oil in a large pan over medium-high heat. Set the oil temperature with a small piece of tortilla. It should sizzle immediately. Carefully place the rolled taquitos into the hot oil, seam side down first, to seal them. Don't overcrowd the pan. Fry in batches to maintain oil temperature and ensure even cooking. Fry for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Use tongs to carefully turn them, ensuring all sides get that perfect crispiness. Once golden, remove the taquitos from the oil and place them on a wire rack lined with paper towels. This helps them stay extra crispy and prevents them from getting soggy. Repeat the frying process with the remaining taquitos until they are all cooked. Now, for the best part, serving and garnishing. Arrange your crispy taquitos on a beautiful serving platter. Garnish with fresh cilantro for a pop of color and freshness. Add a dollop of cool sour cream and a sprinkle of cotija cheese for extra flavor. Look at these beauties. Perfectly golden, crispy, and ready to be devoured, too. The creamy chicken filling combined with the crispy tortilla is simply irresistible. Serve them with your favorite dipping sauces, like salsa or guacamole, for the ultimate experience. These chicken taquitos are a guaranteed family favorite, perfect for any meal or gathering. I hope you try this recipe tonight and see why my family asks for them on repeat. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.